Plan your day with English. Morning mental preparation. Hello, everyone. It's great to see you all here. Today, we are going to talk about a crucial part of our daily routine: waking up and getting out of bed. More specifically, we'll focus on the mental preparation part of our mornings, reviewing our daily schedule and tasks. We'll discuss how to talk about this process in English, and we'll also go through some commonly used expressions and phrases. So, let's jump right into it. Firstly, let's discuss why this is important. Our mornings set the tone for the rest of our day. Reviewing our daily schedule and tasks allows us to organize our thoughts, prioritize our activities, and approach our day with a clear mind. In English, we often use phrases like planning my day, setting my agenda, or organizing my tasks to talk about this part of our routine. So how can we describe this process in English? Let's take a look at some phrases. When you first wake up, you might say, "I'm reviewing my schedule for the day." If you're looking at a physical or digital calendar, you could say, "I'm checking my calendar." For a more general approach, you might say, "I'm going over my plans for the day." Remember, it's always a good idea to practice these phrases out loud to get comfortable with them. We often have specific tasks we need to complete throughout the day. Let's learn how to discuss these in English. To talk about an important task, you can say, "I have a big task on my agenda today." If you have many tasks to complete, you might say, "My schedule is packed," or "I have a lot on my plate today." If you're setting priorities, you could say, "I'm prioritizing my tasks for the day." Again, don't forget to practice using these phrases to become more fluent in your conversational English. Alright, that's all for today. Remember, mornings are a critical part of our daily routine, and discussing our morning routines in English helps us become more fluent and confident speakers. Keep practicing the phrases we learned today, and you'll be discussing your daily tasks and schedule like a pro. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this lesson was helpful. See you next time.